Hi, I'm Sarah, owner of Shea Makery Skincare, and for the last year, I've been a candle making party host. What if I told you that you too could host candle making parties and make money at the same time? It's super easy and no experience is necessary. Come and let me show you how it's done. With our new candle making kits, everything you need to get started is right here.
Each of my guests here paid my entry price of $40 to attend the party. I provided snacks and entertainment. My guests each created their candles with all materials found inside the candle making kit. All I had to do was refill the popcorn bowls. At your party, you can set your own price according to what you plan to offer your own guests. Guests go home with a candle, and you? Well,
Now that the party's over, all that's left is to clean up, in more ways than one.